Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of the day. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. Relax your shoulders, your jaw, and the space between your brows. Observe your breath without trying to change it. Just be the witness. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the rise and fall of your chest. Softly expand your awareness to the sounds around you. Then let them fade. You are safe, you are still, and you are exactly where you need to be. Imagine a warm, golden light filling your entire heart space. Inhale peace. Exhale any lingering tension or doubt. Allow yourself to simply exist in this moment of pure stillness. Your worth is not defined by your doing, but by your being. Start to bring some gentle movement back to your fingers and toes. Feel the life returning to your body. Take a final deep breath. I hope this practice brought you the peace you deserve. Carry this stillness with you today. When you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to our next session together. Namaste.